Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do this next video on the Thinking of You card in the Paper Pumpkin February 2021 set called Bouquet of Hope. So we will start with this one, and to do this card we need our Rococo Rose card base folded in half. We need the vellum overlay, and we need the Thinking of You sticker. This is how they come on the sheet, and there's 3 like this. What I did is I peeled all the backing off and took the little pieces out so that I could more easily see to pull the sticker off. And then we need the die cuts that come with the kit. So we are going to use a dimensional on this one to make it pop up over the greeting, and the rest we'll put on first and then put the greeting over top. So when we're doing vellum, as you know, anything you put on the back as an adhesive will show through. So we know that we're going to have a floral piece at the top here. It's actually this one. So we know we're going to have a floral piece at the top. We know we're going to have a floral piece at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some a glue dot here and a glue dot here down in the corners so that I know that they're covered up. And my glue dots are here. So I know that I need to put a glue dot in the top corner and a glue dot in the bottom corner. You can put more than one in the corners if you like, but the glue dots are quite strong. So then we're just going to center this and press it down. So that's got the vellum attached, and you can see it through. You can see the dots through. So the next step, we need to adhere our flowers, our die cuts. So I'm going to grab a dot. There we go. Oh, and it's still stuck to my thumb. There we go. So I will grab another dot and put that on, and then peel the backs off. And using the picture as a guide, I'm just going to attach that like that. And then I'm going to take the other large set of flowers. I'm going to put a couple of glue dots on the back of this one as well. And sometimes the glue dot actually stays on the plastic, and that's okay. You just use your finger to lift it off and just stick it down. And it's okay if it balls up a little bit. It's still adhesive. So you put another one down like that. And then you use the card as a guide and you pop this down. So our next step is to take our Thinking of You sticker off of the backing. I'm just going to lift it up gently so that I don't end up tearing it, because that would not be good. And there's still just a couple pieces that need to come out of the sticker. So I'm just going to stick that to my finger, and hopefully it pulls away, and it does. Okay. So like I say, I'm just gently going to lift this so that it doesn't tear. There we go. So that is the greeting out. So then it goes on just like this. I'm going to stick that side down, and I'm just going to kind of let it settle so it's not skewed. And then I'm just going to give it a good press. So that's that. And then I'm going to use a dimensional on the little yellow flower, and that goes on just over the top there like that. And it is that simple to put together such a beautiful card. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video when we make the Just Jade card with the bouquet on it. So we will see you next time.